I want you to tell me what you were just saying.
TV.
Look up here. Look up here at me.
Play
What do you do?
and watch TV, and TV.
But what else do you do?
And play with
Hey,
my
come here.
toys.
Come here. What else did you say? What did you say about eating? Do you eat?
Yeah.
Look, do you have lunch?
Yeah.
Are you hungry for lunch now?
Yeah.
What do you want? Mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, look at me. Stop. You're going to fall on the fireplace. Look. And we went out and worked.
Yeah.
Tell Mama what you did.
We go to work.
You fed Bella some grass.
Yeah. And she did not like it, right?
And she didn't like all of it, right? And you cut some big limbs for Mama.
Yeah.
And now we're coming in for a rest.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Say bye, Mama.
Bye. Cheese. 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 Cheese.
I can't see anything but your weird eyes.
Cheese.